Hey guys, welcome back to Pilates Purr. Today we're doing a 10-minute ab and glute sculpt. Pause the workout or modify the moves as needed. Go ahead and put on your ankle weights if you want more of a challenge, and let's get started. First move is glute bridge and ab pulse. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip width apart, heels close to glutes. Place hands by your sides, core braced. Lift hips into a bridge, squeeze glutes. Hold hips up and lift arms to the ceiling. Crunch your ribs slightly down towards hips for a mini ab pulse. Lower arms and hips together with control, and then repeat. Press evenly through those heels. Think rib to hip connection. Booty lift and core cinch happening all at once. Now lie on your side, bottom knee bent for stability. Extend top leg long, toes pointed forward, parallel. Lift to hip height. Draw a small controlled circle forward and back. Switching directions halfway through. Keep those hips stacked. Imagine your leg is moving through thick air. And now switch directions of the circles. And now we're going to do side lying crunches. Place your right hand behind your head, left hand in front of you for balance. Lift both knees and elbow toward each other, then lower with control. This is working your side waist and outer glute. And now switching sides. And then we're gonna go right into side laying, hip abduction, and leg circles. And keep those hips stacked. Imagine your leg is moving through thick air. And now reverse the direction of the circles. And now side lying crunches. Maintain your form. Think elbow to thigh, thigh to elbow. Keep chest open, don't collapse forward. And squeeze that side waist and outer glute as you lift. And now we're going to do plank with hip dips. Keep those abs nice and tight. Keep that butt up and no arching that back. Shoulders away from the ears. If this is too challenging, you can just do a regular plank or you can do a plank on your knees. The purpose is to build strength. Now lie on your back. We're going to repeat moves 1 through 4, going into glute bridge and ab pulse. Feet hip width apart, heels close to glutes. Hold hips up and lift arms to the ceiling. Crunch your ribs slightly down towards hips for a mini ab pulse. Then lower arms and hips together with control. Repeat. And now lie on your side for the side lying hip abductions and circles. And keep that toe pointed. Draw circles nice and small and controlled. No swaying, no swinging. Keep those hips stacked and your body super stable. And now switching directions. And go right into side laying crunch. Remember to keep those hips stacked. Inhale when you're on the mat and then exhale to crunch. And now repeating both those movements on the other side. And now finishing off with one last plank variation. This is the last exercise, make it count. You did it, bestie. Give yourself a nice stretch. Child pose and cat cow are great. I'm so proud of you. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.